Hi there, welcome to my channel. I'm Elaine. This month, I designed some brand new summer themed sticker sheets and a matching printable. I don't know about you, but I'm very excited for this summer. Therefore, I designed a summer theme with some pretty summer vibes outfits, plus some relaxing botanical stickers. This month, I also created many monthly headers and the days of the week printable stickers. It's a matching set with my other summer stickers. Now let's get started. First, I'm creating my July cover page. I'm cutting out this Hello Summer sticker from the printable to get ready. I like to print my printables for my bullet journal on sticker paper so that it will be much faster to set up the pages. First, I'm drawing some different styled leaves around the pages. This month, I'm using mainly 3 different colored brush pens: pastel green, baby pink, and the light blue. These are all tumble brush pens. I found that it's very relaxing to draw these leaves. This brush pen made it especially easy to draw the shapes of the leaves. However, if you don't have these tumble brush pens, you can simply use Crayola Super Tips markers or color pencils. Here is a tip on drawing leaves. Try to make each different leaf come from a different direction, which will make your botanical drawings look much more lively. Do you like botanical drawings? Please leave your comments down below. I really appreciate your feedback on my videos and the channel. Please show some love and like this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you find this video useful. I'm really grateful for your support. It means the world to me. After I finished the background leaves, I'm using my 2021 mini calendar sticker and the monthly headers stickers to add some details onto the page. I'm putting a Hello Summer sticker on the center of the left page. I'm placing some decorative stickers on the right page. Then I'm using my month script stickers to put the July title on. Lastly, I'm using my black brush pen to draw a free brush style frame around the Hello Summer sticker. And drawing a drop shadow for the mini calendar. That's all for this cover page design. Next is my July monthly calendar and the goal page setup. First, I'm drawing a box for the July calendar. Then I'm using a 1 to 31 number strip from my mini months and the days of the week sticker sheet. Then I'm writing the days of the week. I'm using light blue and the pastel green brush pens to draw some lines. I'm putting a decorative sticker on the top of the calendar. Then writing the days of the week on the light blue line. Using baby pink to write the days in big numbers in the daily boxes. I'm cutting a notepad style sticker from my printable. Then putting it on the right side of the right page. Then cutting out the header goes for the title. I'm drawing some drop shadows around the stickers. To finish this page, I'm using the header inspirations for the right bottom part. How do you like it? That's all for this video. I hope you will find some ideas for your own bullet journal or planner. Don't forget to check out these summer things, printables, and the matching sticker sheets. The link is down below. Stay tuned for my next video on my July ideas and the daily reviews page setup. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!